And the Panthers have a 3rd and 10. Here comes pressure, and they've gotten to him. The ball is out in the end zone, and it's recovered by Malik Jackson for the touchdown. It was Von Miller with the strip sack, and Jackson with the recovery. A meeting here of the 1st and 2nd picks of the 2011 draft. Newton 1st, Miller 2nd. 3rd down and 8. Here comes DeMarcus Ware after him. And the Broncos get to him again.
January by the NFL, Jim.
It's a pass again, and he's looking to throw it himself. But it breaks down, and Broncos were there to shove him out.
And get a personal foul himself.
From the 49, it's Tolbert. And he fumbles, and Trevathan is there with the recovery. 2nd and 10, and that will close out the half as DeMarcus Ware pile drives Cam Newton to the ground. Down the middle, and it is intercepted by T.J. Ward. Went through the hands again, and he fumbles it. Picked up by Trevathan, who had a recovery in the first half. Here comes the pressure. Nowhere to go. And Newton's down at the 22. Wolf and Miller both get to the quarterback. It's a 3rd and 9. Rushing 4, ball comes out of the hands of Newton. It's on the ground, and still on the ground. Picked up by T.J. Ward at the 4-yard line. Von Miller did it again.
All the opportunities Denver's defense has created.
And it's Jackson, and then Ware wrapping him up at the 5.